this is one of the most badass ones out there. Oh, man.
Here's that double shot of diesel. Hold the foam, sir.
PowerNation Under the Hood is brought to you by Summit Racing Equipment.
Some builds have no intention of being subtle. Oh my God. James, thanks for bringing this thing in, man.
Hey, brother, man. Pleasure. Appreciate it, man.
Oh, this is just beautiful. I mean, I got to admit, I did get a little bit of a sneak peek last week at SEMA. I saw it there on the floor, and it looks just as good here as it did there. I mean,
man.
Good Lord. For all our friends watching at home,
Yes, sir.
what is this thing?
So what this is 1946 Dodge Power Wagon. It started life as a single cab. They never made a four-door. So what we've done at Vince's Dream Machines, we have converted this truck from a single cab to a four-door, keeping the nostalgia, the culture, the look, the appearance of the truck, but making her resto-mod. So inside, she's luxury, she's modern, she's got all the conveniences of a new car.
Now, I don't want to go too far and say that you may have done this, but it looks like you might have even cleaned these frame rails up, gone and
Absolutely
smoothed them all out.
Everything has been cleaned, sanded, sandblasted. The chassis powder coated, PPG top of the line paint system. I mean, she's got like 6-7 coats of buff and polish on them. It's got ceramic coat on it. I mean, it's a lot of love. 3 years of labor has been put into this truck, and that's the end result we're very proud of.
These are not the factory axles in here, and obviously not the factory suspension either.
No.
Now, I'm looking at all the mounts you've got for your links and stuff.
4 links.
Was that all a part of this chassis? Was it part of the original suspension, or was that something you guys added in?
Yeah, everything is all aftermarket on this thing. I mean, nothing was part of the original. I mean, they were post-war, trucks. You know what I mean? So they were just designed to go A to B. This truck has a brand new chassis system. It's running King Coils, 4 links. I mean, she rides as smooth as a new Cadillac. So it's.
This is on, what, 37s?
37-inch Toyo open country tires. We're running true trail-rated B-lock wheels on this one, 20-inch. They're custom made. So
I can't get enough of this thing. I mean, just looking around it from front to back, this paint is as slick as can be, and that's not something you expect to see on something that's got 37s.
Absolutely,
on it
brother,
all.
man. When our painter found out when we was going black, he was like, "Are you sure?" I was like, "It's got to be black," but the end result is flawless. I mean,
Well, as long as you're not the one that has to clean it.
Well, yeah. There's the flip side to it. You know what I mean? But appearance-wise and everything, I mean, the top and underneath is just as gorgeous. It's fully painted, powder-coated underneath. We got high-polished exhaust system all the way to the turbos, high-polished stainless steel aluminum gas tanks. I mean, if you look underneath it, it's as beautiful as the top of this truck is.
So how much of the original truck were you able to actually retain through this process? Because I know, like you said, the entire back half of that cab with
Correct.
the doors, that's definitely not original.
Correct, yeah. So the front half, the front 2 doors, the firewall, the nose clip, the hood, all that has to come off the original truck. There is no aftermarket pieces for that. This back half with the glass and the wall, all of that is the original truck. And then from there, we insert in the new panel doors. It's got a one-piece laser roof system on it, new chassis, and then of course, the bed system and all that. These are new panels and everything for the bed system.
The more you look, the more you find. I mean, these taillights with the Dodge in them, was that original, or is that custom
original,
pieces that you guys
did? It is the
did?
same style of it, but it didn't say Dodge in it. We just like bringing in the American history and culture to it. We're big Mopar fans.
I can see you matched the font of
Yes.
this
Yes.
with the font
Yes.
of the
exact
tailgate.
same font and
I mean,
everything. Yes, sir. Just little details. This truck has so many details from the inside, the bed system on it. This bed system is actually a oak wood that we actually flame torched. Oh, wow. And then it's got 3 coats of automotive clear and then buff and polish on it. As you can see, it looks like a lake at nighttime. Smooth, slick, clean.
All right, so this thing, obviously there's been a lot added to it. I mean, how much does this even weigh anymore? Because I know these were pretty heavy trucks from the factory.
Very heavy trucks from the factory. This truck right here is clicking in around 9,100 pounds of American steel. So no plastic, no fiberglass. This thing is just steel. So,
well, I mean, I wouldn't want to see what would happen if you hit something with it.
Somebody's getting moved.
Now, I mean, at 9,100 pounds, this has got to take some force to move it.
Absolutely.
So what's under the hood? Let's see if we can do this without causing any scratches. Good Lord.
And pull back and then lift her up, man.
Man, I almost feel bad putting my hands on this
I know.
thing.
There you go. That's it. It'll just rest down on this right there, and you're sweet, brother. There she is.
Man. As soon as you open the hood, you've got this chrome support bar here leading into, you know, you got the air filter with the chrome tubing for the turbo piping. I mean, is there anything really special done to this thing?
This motor was done by Choke Performance, so it is a crate 5.9 24 valve common rail. She's got all performance parts. It has been tuned, so she's right at on street mode right now, about 400 horsepower, 900 pounds of torque. And if we decided we want to get sided, we turn her up to performance mode. She's around 500 horsepower and 1,100 pounds of torque, man.
I think it'd be a lot easier to believe you even more if I got to feel it.
Brother, let's do it, man. Let's do it.
First impressions, far smoother than I ever would have expected for something this age. Now I know, obviously, everything on this truck is done to the absolute best it could be done, but you still wouldn't expect something this old to run, drive, and ride even close to as well as this thing.
I mean, it's about as close as you can get to a new, Escalade as far as comfort and feature, but yet still having the look of the original Power Wagon, the feel of the original Power Wagon, but modern day performance, modern day reliability, drive, suspension, everything like that.
Reliability-wise, it doesn't get much better than one of these things in stock form.
Correct.
But, you know, you get into the nitty-gritty of it as far as actually having it be a drivable vehicle in today's world. Yeah, you're running into some issues with stuff underneath, and I think you made sure to cover all of that with this one.
I mean, it's all around just a great drive. I had it out the other day, 77 miles an hour, 1,600 RPMs, man. AC going, sound system going, and just having a blast. I mean, it's truly a very fun and enjoyable ride.
You don't have to buy a new vehicle to get all the fancy features you want.
Oh, no,
I mean,
absolutely not. This is parts and components that anybody can get. I mean, it's not like just privilege. It's anybody can get it, and we've taken their components and we've built, what we consider one of the baddest ass trucks you can build.
Well, as somebody who has put eyes on a lot of trucks, a lot of custom builds from pretty much every era you can think of, I'd say you hit the nail on the head when you say that this is one of the most badass ones out there. And now you said this pushes, what, around 400 horsepower, the tune that we're in?
She's running around 500, 1,100 pounds of torque.
You can't put that kind of power under the hood of something without trying it out, right?
Gotta try it, brother.
Oh, man.
You can feel it when it kicks it in.
Wow.
It wants to,
it wants
to push down and grab. I mean,
that's almost a little scary.
It is a little bit.
If the steering and suspension wasn't so good, that would be a little scary in this thing.
Absolutely. 9,100 pounds, man. Pure muscle. It's Patriot, man. It's what we were built off of.
And I mean, that's another thing I absolutely love about the Power Wagon name, especially the first gens. These were directly derived from a military vehicle.
Correct, yes. And this actually particular one, she is the first one after the war, so when they just released it back to civilian sale, and they were coded as a WDX. It's the only series that was coded. 47 and up changed model codes, but this one's actually coded underneath the military code WDX.
You guys left the original VIN tag on this door jam over here.
Yep, the original door tag is back on this truck, just to keep her history and her legacy going forward. I mean, she ended up abandoned, and we took her back to way above glory. And the client we've sold this truck to, she's going to a great home, great family, man.
Knowing what Johnson's Horsepower Garage has hidden away in their stables, I would say this thing fits right in and will probably be the cherry on top in at least one of them warehouses.
We're very stoked to see the future plans for her and what she has in store, and to be part of it.
Well, this has been an absolute treat getting to drive this thing around and check it out. I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous, and anytime you get behind the wheel of something with flat fenders, a diesel power plant, and an all-steel construction, it's always a good time. But I want to ask you guys something real quick. Now, we've had a lot of really cool stuff come in for under the hood, and this thing is no different and actually might be one of the coolest things we've had. But what else would you guys like to see on here? Let us know.